Hello.
Hello.
So back to the 1920s doll's house today, or Charleston House as the viewers suggested we call it. And this week we are going to be doing the living/fitting room.
Lounge,
yes. So we hope you enjoy, and let's see how it goes.
But there is a Charleston house in real big world.
Oh.
And it was the home of Vanessa Bell and Duncan Grant, and they painted all the walls beautifully. Maybe Kate will pop a picture up here. It was such a beautiful house.
Maybe it shouldn't be called Charleston House then. Maybe we should make a doll's house like Charleston House and paint it.
That would be amazing.
It would be fun.
Yes.
Okay. Back to the 1920s for now then.
Today we're doing the lounge in the 1920s house. We've cleaned the carpet, dusted it out. I wasn't going to put the carpets back in, but I've decided I am. It seems right and fit. And this one's it's come up really well.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot cleaner looking than it was. So yeah, we've got to decide what we're going to put in it.
Mm-hmm. We'll just say your face is giving very Wizard of Oz. It's like your face was filling the entire mirror.
Oh no.
Ovally. It worked good.
I'm not moving my face.
So, what do we start with?
Well,
The biggest piece of furniture normally, isn't it?
yeah, I don't know if maybe a sideboard.
Mm-hmm.
Keep things in it. It's quite big, so the chair. I suppose sort of gathered around the fire. Like that.
Is it strange that all we can see at this point is the wood? I feel like it should be faced outwards.
What, like that?
Yeah, but on the left-hand side.
Over here.
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but where are we putting this bookshelf?
Well, I had it at the back, but I don't know if you want to put it there.
Maybe it should be. So I'm thinking, try moving the sideboard over to the other side, but in the same place.
I can't see. You'll have to direct me.
Yeah.
Against the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then try and put. So obviously we need to fill this with all the bits. Oh, well that's annoying, isn't it?
Doesn't fit that side.
It doesn't.
It's the other
Does
side.
it fit this side?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
You're all just sleeve.
I know. Well, that's frustrating. Okay.
Move this over a tiny bit. Oh. It's hard, isn't it?
Do we have a coffee table?
Well, yeah, the one we just
I
unboxed.
feel like that's a side table,
Oh,
not a coffee table. Does it not? I mean, it's a bit too...
is that too big?
Yeah. The coffee tables just don't seem to be a thing.
It is?
Oh, do we have a footstool?
Yes.
Oh, yes, we do. We have this little footstool. Put the fire guard on there.
On the creaky floorboards.
You are.
I'm in a real disadvantage. Can you see if that's straight? I'm going to move a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So does this one fit? Is it
Oh.
in the corner there? Or is it too tall or wide?
Ah.
It's kind of hiding the picture.
Yeah.
It's so irritating.
Swap them around.
No, because remember the doesn't fit there.
Oh.
For some reason, it seems to be thinner on that side. I mean, you can try. Maybe I was doing it wrong.
Rubbish that the bottom's missing the button.
it's sat about.
You can do it at sort of angle.
Yeah, I suppose. Although my plan was to put both at an angle is okay, yeah. But you'd probably take it out because we need to fill it with.
Okay, both of them?
No, just the.
We need to fill that one too, though.
Yeah.
We need to fill both of them.
Okay, maybe take the both out.
I've got loads of
What things do we have?
box of stuff here.
So we've got. So here, let's just put it on the sideboard for now to show the tiny things we have. We've got this jug.
We have other things in this.
So I'm just showing the things that came. Well, that didn't come with it. But
No.
wait, these came with the house.
One of them was an unboxing.
Which one came with the house?
That one.
Okay. All of these came with it, as well as these beautiful chalices. All the books. This little clog. Which candlesticks came with it?
These ones. And these. I don't know.
These candlesticks.
There wasn't that much for the lounge, to be honest with you.
No, and all the books, obviously.
Yeah.
So. And a cardboard Holy Bible. Is it faux snake skin? I will let you do the bookshelf.
Thanks.
Nice. What else are we going to put on the bookshelf? And then try and balance your little picture on top.
Which?
That's the left.
I can do it. Literally.
No, that's on the right. Yeah, no, because I couldn't see.
The picture behind it is beautiful.
It really is.
Hand-painted?
I can't tell.
I think it is.
Pop that next to that.
It needs foofing everywhere I put things, they look a bit.
Yes, that's okay.
That's because I can't see what I'm doing.
Put those two little ones on the mantelpiece.
What, at either end or next to each other?
I'll try them.
You could have a taller one next, because we've got
Oh yeah.
a taller one next to them.
And then pop these fellas on the shelves of the bookshelf. Two on the top and one on the bottom. Yep. Now, can we try the sideboard that's in the master bedroom in place of that one quickly?
Well, it's just
The new one, the chest of drawers there. Oh, is it a chest of drawers?
Yeah.
Where's the wardrobe?
Yeah.
I think I liked the wardrobe better in the master bedroom.
Okay.
Well, can we just try it? Is it a chest of drawers? I mean, it's not even for Doll's House, so it can be anything we want it to be.
Oh, it's
Just-
pretty.
Yeah, and it's just quite fancy, isn't it?
Ornate.
Yeah, it's a bit odd. Yeah, it's ornate.
Yeah, we don't have to use that sideboard. It was just.
Yeah, the sideboard I think is just a bit
Too
too big.
big.
It might cover the bookshelf, unfortunately.
We've got to put the carpet in. We haven't put the carpet in yet.
Oh yes, put the carpet in.
This is the carpet for now. Bought the carpet.
It's a little hand painted wooden fire holder, which is very cute. I'd put that.
Front of the bureau where it's broken.
Yeah.
All there.
Yeah. Let me move this. This is blocking. And then we've got the coal scuttle. If you put it on the other side, next to the
Inside there or outside?
outside. Then we've got the. This can be inside the fireside companion set. Right, and take the table out for now. Let's put
We have
this
the Clarence
armchair back in.
She was 1920s, wasn't she?
Mm-hmm.
She could go, that could go in the middle of the mantelpiece, couldn't it?
Will it fit?
Yay or nay?
Nay, I think that should go in the hallway.
Okay. Is the carpet annoying? It looks good. Is he now in the chair? The carpet's annoying.
I think it's a bit too big. It might be. We might be able to swap it for the one in the
nursery.
the bedroom,
Oh, okay.
the smaller size, because there's not going to be much on the floor in the bedroom. So a bigger one would probably work. Goodness.
It's the cushion for you.
Thanks. Yeah.
I've got a small one there for you on that.
To clean that. You put that then to the.
They need cleaning. They're a bit dusty.
Is it?
Yes, it's of course. But that's all right because you can see everything to its full advantage.
Maybe give me one of the pretty, because you can't give me one of the pretty pewter plates off of the display, maybe. For the bent one.
I know. Well, I can't see. You don't want that one.
Maybe punch goes in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the newspapers. Put it on the sofa.
Maybe.
I'm putting this back in again.
Yeah.
Is this recording?
Yes.
We got these from a lot, didn't we? And I mean, it's a bizarre thing. I mean,
It does match the.
it does. It matches the. It's like it's almost from the same.
Yeah.
nice. Pretty. I have more books if you wanted to fill that bookcase at the back up more. I don't know if I like those cups like that.
I quite like them.
Oh, too many more books then.
Where would you put the cups then?
Maybe clustered around a picture frame.
So you can have a go.
You think any of these books will fit? Where's my line down? They like reading in this house. Oh look, there's the other books. I was going to say. Even here.
Yeah, looks good.
Feels like the green ones should go over a bit.
We could use this.
Thanks. There, do the cups look better there?
Yeah. Plant back.
Whoosh it up a bit first.
That poor light.
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm rearranging other rooms. Well, obviously it needs more things.
I quite like how it's looking at the moment though.
Yeah,
It looks lived in.
it does. It's a shame we need to fix the bottom of the broken bureau really, but I didn't realise it was going to go in here.
It works well though.
It does.
Yeah, I like it.
Need coal in the coal bucket really.
We do, yes.
But no, yeah. But again, room for more.
Yes, it does need some more stuff. It needs a clock on the mantelpiece.
Definitely needs a clock. No, I like it. It's coming on. Maybe we'll...
Looks busy and it matches the kitchen.
It does. She needs some new clothes. The cook needs some new clothes.
It does. Maybe just an apron. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed.
It looks cute on camera. No, I like it. We need, like I say, we need to fix the bottom of the bureau. We need a clock. And maybe...
Some more cushions.
Yeah. A few tweaks here and there, but no. Looks cosy.
Nice.